Gordon Ramsay isn't just a culinary legend. He's a man with a taste for speed, luxury, and automotive perfection. His car collection is as fiery and extraordinary as his personality, filled with cars renowned for performance, exclusivity, and style. Join me as we step into the world of one of the most electrifying celebrity garages, as we look at the top 10 luxurious cars in his collection. Number 10. Aston Martin DB7 V12 Vantage. The Aston Martin DB7 V12 Vantage was one of the first models to redefine Aston Martin as a luxury performance brand in the late 1990s. Purchased early in his career, this car symbolizes Ramsay's first steps into the world of luxury automobiles. With its 5.9-liter V12 engine producing 420 horsepower, the DB7 was a statement of style and sophistication during its time. Ramsay's DB7 is finished in a classic British racing green, a color that pays homage to Aston Martin's racing roots. The interior is a mix of cream leather and walnut trim, creating a timeless and elegant cabin. Ramsay has said the car reminds him of a perfectly plated dish, beautiful, balanced, and full of character. Although Ramsay's collection has grown to include more powerful and modern vehicles, the DB7 remains a sentimental favorite. He occasionally takes it out for drives through the countryside, appreciating the smooth ride and the nostalgia it brings. For Ramsay, the DB7 is a reminder of his journey from a young chef with big dreams to a global icon. It's proof that hard work and dedication can lead to moments of pure luxury and joy. Number 9. Ferrari F12 TDF. The TDF in Ferrari F12 TDF stands for Tour de France, a tribute to the legendary endurance race Ferrari dominated in the 1950s and 60s. Limited to only 799 units worldwide, this car is powered by a 6.3-liter V12 engine, producing a staggering 770 horsepower. It's one of the most aggressive Ferraris ever made, designed for drivers who crave precision and performance. Ramsay's F12 TDF is as unique as his personality. Painted in a Giallo Modena, a striking yellow, the car is impossible to miss. Inside, it's a blend of Alcantara and carbon fiber, customized with red stitching that Ramsay chose himself. He often refers to the car as a beast in a suit, appreciating how it balances raw power with elegant design. The inspiration for this purchase came from Ramsay's love for Ferrari's racing heritage. As a longtime fan of motorsport, he was drawn to the nostalgia the F12 TDF brings while embracing cutting-edge technology. The car's advanced aerodynamics and rear-wheel steering make it one of the most thrilling Ferraris to drive, a feature Ramsay finds exhilarating. He often takes the F12 TDF out on private tracks, pushing it to its limits while relishing the sound of the naturally aspirated V12 engine. Ramsay has described driving it as pure adrenaline, likening the experience to the intensity of running a high-pressure kitchen. Number 8. Bentley Continental GT Speed. Fun fact: the Bentley Continental GT Speed is the fastest production Bentley ever made, with a top speed of 208 miles per hour. Gordon Ramsay's Bentley Continental GT Speed is his go-to car for refined, high-performance cruising. Known for his demanding schedule, Ramsay values the Bentley's ability to combine power and luxury in one elegant package. The 6.0-liter W12 engine delivers an impressive 650 horsepower, allowing Ramsay to enjoy smooth yet exhilarating drives when he's not in the kitchen. Ramsay's Continental GT Speed is customized to perfection. The exterior boasts a striking midnight sapphire finish, complemented by 22-inch alloy wheels. Inside, cabin features quilted leather seats in a deep navy tone with contrast stitching, a subtle nod to his British heritage. The dashboard even includes a personalized plaque engraved with his initials, adding a unique touch to the already bespoke interior. Ramsay was inspired to purchase the Continental GT Speed after attending a Bentley event showcasing the car's capabilities. He was immediately drawn to its blend of craftsmanship and performance, describing it as effortless elegance. The car's advanced features, including an all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, ensure that Ramsay enjoys a smooth ride no matter the conditions. The Bentley often accompanies Ramsay on trips to his restaurants, where he needs to arrive in style without sacrificing comfort. He has praised the car's ability to make even long drives feel relaxing, likening it to the experience of dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant, every detail carefully thought out. Number 7. Land Rover Defender 110. The Land Rover Defender has been a symbol of rugged reliability since 1948. with a modern 110 blending heritage with cutting-edge technology. This Land Rover is not your average car. It featured in the James Bond movie Spectre. It is the outcome of customization of the standard Jaguar Land Rover for the movie. There exist only 7 out of the 10 made, and Ramsay is the owner of one, making it one of the most expensive Land Rovers in the world, worth an estimated £245,000. Known for his high-energy lifestyle, Ramsay chose the Defender 110 as a practical yet stylish SUV that could handle everything from road trips to school runs. With its 3.0-liter inline-6 engine producing 395 horsepower, the Defender 110 is as powerful as it is versatile. Ramsay's Defender 110 is tailored for his active life, possessing a sleek Santorini black exterior with dark tinted windows, giving it a modern, understated look. Inside, the car features premium leather upholstery and additional seating capacity, perfect for his large family. A built-in refrigerator in the center console is a fun touch, allowing Ramsay to keep drinks chilled during long drives. Ramsay has called the Defender 110 a car for creating memories, emphasizing its role in his personal life rather than his public persona. Despite his love for speed, Ramsay appreciates the Defender 110 for its practicality and comfort in navigating city streets and tackling uneven terrain. The car provides a sense of reliability that matches Ramsay's driven personality. It's not just another luxury vehicle, it's a reflection of his love for family, adventure, and the journey, no matter where it takes him. Do you love cars as much as Gordon Ramsay? Please comment, and don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're always first to see the content. Number 6. Ferrari 550 Maranello. The Ferrari 550 Maranello was the first front-engine V12 Ferrari in over 20 years when it debuted in 1996. Gordon Ramsay has been known to call this car his pride and joy. Maybe it had to do with the fact that it was a gift from his wife Tana, or it could just be the sheer history this car represents. This classic Grand Tour symbolizes his rise to fame, as he got it after he won his 3rd Michelin star. The 550 Maranello is powered by a 5.5-liter V12 engine that delivers 485 horsepower, a combination of elegance and power that captured Ramsay's imagination. The 550 Maranello was considered by top car magazines to be the best driver's car in the world at the time, the early 2000s. Unlike the flashy hypercars in his collection, the 550 Maranello holds sentimental value. Ramsay often talks about how this car represents his journey from being a young chef to a global icon. Painted blue, his Maranello stands out with its timeless design and unmistakable Ferrari heritage. The interior features tan leather seats and a gated manual shifter, a feature Ramsay cherishes for its old-school charm. Ramsay uses the 550 Maranello sparingly, treating it as a treasured piece of history. It's a car that reminds him of where he started and how far he's come. Ramsay later replaced the 550 with the 575M, which was slightly faster and sharper. Number 5. Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest hybrids alive. This plug-in hybrid supercar features a 4.6-liter V8 engine that is Le Mans derived, paired with 2 electric motors, producing a combined 881 horsepower. It's a car that balances sheer power with eco-conscious innovation, a concept Ramsay finds inspiring. This car was one of the first street-legal cars to use the hybrid technology, and Ramsay wasted no time speeding through the streets of Monaco in this gem. Ramsay's 918 Spyder is customized to match his dynamic personality. Painted in a sleek liquid metal silver, it has black wheels and red brake calipers that add a striking contrast. Inside, the leather seats are stitched with subtle red accents, a nod to Ramsay's fiery passion for excellence. He's often joked that the car is so precise, it could be used to deliver a souffle without deflating it. Ramsay admires how Porsche managed to create a car that's incredibly fast while being environmentally conscious. For a man who has spent his life perfecting recipes, the precision and balance of the 918 resonate deeply with him. He enjoys driving the 918 Spyder during early morning rides, when the roads are quiet, and he can fully experience the car's hybrid capabilities. Ramsay often describes the sensation as electrifying, a perfect mix of serenity and raw power. Number 4. Ferrari Monza SP2. The Ferrari Monza SP2 has no roof or windshield, offering an open-air driving experience inspired by classic 1950s Ferrari race cars. For Gordon Ramsay, the Ferrari Monza SP2 is a car with a mixture of old art, inspired by 1950s race cars, and modern flair. Ramsay was captivated by the design, which harks back to the golden age of motorsport. As a lover of all things Italian, he couldn't resist the allure of this limited edition masterpiece, with only 499 units ever made. Under the hood, the Monza SP2 features a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces 810 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Ferraris ever built. Ramsay's SP2 stands out with the custom black and red color scheme. He calls it his drivable piece of art, and it's easy to see why. The interior is stunning with red touches, featuring handcrafted leather seats with embroidered details that nod to Ramsay's personal branding. The Monza SP2 is rare enough that it costs around $2 million. With speed capabilities, they can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of over 186 miles per hour. He's often said that driving it feels like stepping into a time machine, transporting him to an era when cars were iconic for their raw performance and style. The absence of a roof or windshield adds to the thrill, allowing Ramsay to fully immerse himself in the experience. Unlike some of his other cars, the Monza SP2 isn't just for show. It's a car Ramsay takes out on sunny weekends, enjoying the open road and the unmistakable sound of the V12. Number 3. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is one of the closest things to a Formula One car for the road, with only 150 units produced for consumers worldwide. Gordon Ramsay's connection to the Aston Martin Valkyrie isn't just about the car. Ramsay was drawn to the Valkyrie's revolutionary design and technology. Created in collaboration with Red Bull Racing, this car is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces 1,200 horsepower, paired with a lightweight hybrid system. It's an engineering masterpiece that Ramsay calls a marvel of modern art. What makes Ramsay's Valkyrie special is its bespoke touches. He worked closely with Aston Martin to create a color scheme that reflects his personal style, an elegant black with dark metallic blue and subtle red accents, representing his fiery passion for cooking. Inside, the cockpit is stripped down yet futuristic, with custom seats that fit Ramsay's frame perfectly, ensuring a driver-focused experience. Ramsay acquired the Valkyrie as a celebration of his success and as a nod to his admiration for British craftsmanship. He has often compared the meticulous engineering of the car to the precision needed in crafting Michelin-starred dishes. It's no surprise that when he is not driving the Valkyrie for normal purposes, he spends time with the car making fun meals like a grilled cheese sandwich with the car's engine. Ramsay uses the Valkyrie sparingly, mostly for private track days where he can unleash its full potential. He describes driving it as an otherworldly experience, likening the sensation to the adrenaline rush of opening a new restaurant. With its extreme aerodynamics and groundbreaking performance, this car is a beast on the road in every way possible. Number 2. McLaren Senna. Named after Ayrton Senna, a 3-time Formula One world champion, this car is designed to be a track beast in street legal form. Ramsay has described his Senna as like driving the fastest roller coaster you've ever been on. With only 500 units ever made, Ramsay's Senna, painted in a custom volcano orange with black accents, turns heads wherever it goes. This hypercar houses a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, producing an eye-watering 789 horsepower. What sets Ramsay's Senna apart is the personalized interior, featuring lightweight carbon fiber seats embossed with his signature initials. Ramsay describes driving it as pure adrenaline, comparing the precision of its handling to the finesse required in creating a Michelin-starred dish. Ramsay's decision to acquire the Senna was inspired by his love for motorsport and his admiration for British craftsmanship. As someone who constantly pushes boundaries in the culinary world, he sees the Senna as a machine that mirrors his relentless drive for perfection. It's not just about speed, it's about the connection between man and machine, a concept Ramsay often parallels with the connection between a chef and their craft. Ramsay has been spotted taking the Senna to charity events and track days, showcasing its raw power and unique design. Number 1. Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. Only 210 LaFerrari Apertas exist, making Gordon Ramsay's a true gem in the world of supercars. In fact, this car is so special that it cannot be bought by just anyone. You have to be invited to buy it. So Gordon got that invitation. This hybrid hypercar caught Ramsay's eye not only because of its jaw-dropping looks, but also for its groundbreaking engineering. Introduced in 2016, the Aperta combines a naturally aspirated 6.3-liter V12 engine with an electric motor to produce a staggering 950 horsepower. Ramsay's model stands out with a unique Rosa Corsa paint job and custom interior stitching, reportedly inspired by the vibrant colors of Italian cuisine, a nod to his love for Italy. Ramsay's connection to Ferrari runs deep, and the Aperta represents his pinnacle of success. It wasn't just a purchase, it was a reward to himself after opening multiple Michelin-starred restaurants. He has openly said the car makes him feel alive, as if he's cooking on a world stage. The open-top design allows him to experience the roar of the V12 like no other, a sound he likens to an opera for car enthusiasts. The LaFerrari Aperta also reflects Ramsay's eco-conscious side. The hybrid system, known as Hikers, emphasizes efficiency without compromising speed, which aligns with his philosophy of blending tradition with innovation in the kitchen. That's it for now, peeps. If Gordon Ramsay's car collection left you speechless, imagine what's coming next. Click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications to join us for more legendary rides.